we're at a home in Whitesboro, New York. This home was built between 1950 and 1960, and the homeowner had been challenged with ice, keeping the upstairs warm in the winter and cool in the summer. He attempted to do it on his own, but continued to experience ice and all the issues of comfort and energy efficiency that we hear from so many customers. When we were called in, what we decided to do to fix and address all those problems was spray the roof deck with polyurethane spray foam. Most of the time when you see me in one of these spaces, we're talking about blowing cellulose and stopping the heat loss from going into the ceiling, into the attic space. Today we're going to talk about why we should give the option of spraying a roof deck. Now in this particular house, we have heat ducts that are going on and we have a lot of infiltration into the attic that we can't stop. So instead we're going to stop it at the roof line instead of the flat ceiling line. That allows any activity going on in the attic to happen and any loss to be stopped at the roof line. So now, the homeowners who were experiencing horrible ice, a very hot upstairs in the summer and very cold in the winter, that's what they've been dealing with in their home, but now will have no ice because the heat of the attic was melting the roof deck, melting the snow on the roof deck. That melting snow would go to the eaves and cause ice as it refroze. Now, the heat can't penetrate the foam, which means that the snow will stay on the roof and they'll have no more ice, and all of the heat that they were losing is now staying in the house. So the efficiency of this type of installation is the best that's out there. We were given access to the main attic through a hatch in the upstairs, but the attic on the first floor had no access. So we actually gained access through that gable vent. That's a small square or rectangular ventilation that's provided on regular installation. We'll seal that up when it's done, but that gave us access so we didn't have to come through the house or create any kind of openings in the ceilings to get to that space. As you can see, spray foam insulation is not just for new construction. It's used in existing homes all the time. Whether you're looking at a crawl space, a basement rim joist, or now even the attic, it could even qualify for rebates. If you think you might need spray foam insulation or want to see if it's a good fit for your home, call Standard Insulating.